Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and what I have here are three white reindeer, probably for like Christmas or holidays, that are yet to be assembled, but I'm gonna put them together and they're gonna look like this. I'm gonna put them together, give you a quick walkthrough, answer any and all questions you might have. Let's get into it. All right, that's what they look fully assembled. So I'm kind of give you a walkthrough of the actual installation process that you're watching. And so these, here's a close-up. So here's a close-up of the material. It's kind of hard to describe, but it's a white, glittery, tight mesh material on a wire frame. You got the white LED lights, and they don't flash or anything like that. It's just solid lights. It has sort of a good glow effect. It does come with these ribbons that you can just take off. They're just wrapped on with just sort of wire zip tie up type things, and pretty easy to put together. Basically have the main body on the two larger adults, male and the female option. It just slides together with these little hooks. And then there's these little pins that kind of clip in there. Now it does come with these white zip ties, where you can take these and then you would zip tie this together to prevent the head from falling off. But just for this example, I left that undone. You also get with these some metal stakes. So these would go into the grass or whatever it was. And then you would take these, put it like right there, and then you would put this like down into the grass so to hold it in place. And you have these also for the wires that I just kind of tucked up inside here, but you could use these wires to kind of hold it together a little bit more. You could also use these to strengthen these sections right here. You can see right here, technically you could take these and wrap around here to kind of prevent this from coming out. But that's how easy it is to take on and off. These are just pins that push through, and then this locks it in place. So from a storage standpoint, they can be stored pretty easily. So you saw from the beginning of the video, how compact they are when you take them apart. From a height standpoint, you're looking at, as far as the male with the antlers, you're looking right at about 64 inches tall on this particular deer. Kind of give you an idea from a height standpoint. The smaller, I guess you can call it a baby deer, is right at about 33 inches. And then the mama deer is about 53 inches tall. From head to tail, I guess, lengthwise, you're looking at about 32 inches on the mama one, the 23 inches lengthwise on the little baby one, and then from the tail to the nose at about 34 inches. So that can kind of give you a pretty good idea how this might fit wherever you need to put it. The extension cord here is pretty long. You're looking at roughly 15 feet from wherever you plug it in to where the deer would be mounted. Maybe actually a little bit longer because of these extensions here. These are all waterproof. So from an outside standpoint, being in the rain, you can see these are all sealed, nice and neat. There's some information here, but these would be considered appropriate to put outside in the elements of the weather. Now, full installation time took roughly about 15 minutes, as you saw in the video. And also, this company did reach out to me and say, Ryan, can you do one of your detailed reviews on our Christmas light up deer? But in no way whatsoever would these being provided to me positively nor negatively affect my review. I just like to keep it real. Hopefully I answered your questions, and we'll talk to you soon.